Hello guys and welcome to another video. This time we are upgrading the navigation screen on a 2014 BMW F30. We will use this Linux screen which has 10.25 inch, but on the CarPlay site you can also find a 12.3 inch option. So you have the link in the video description, and the Linux screen comes with wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and it's also compatible with some models from the BMW 4 Series 2012 all the way to 2016 and have an NBT system. So in the box you will get the screen itself and all the necessary cables for the conversion. Everything you need is there. The installation is very simple, as you will see in a couple of moments. So let's get started with the installation. First thing we have to do is remove this plastic rim that is holding the air vents in place. After that we have access to 4 screws that are on top of the air conditioning controls and the infotainment controls. We have to remove those as well. Then under this console we also have 2 screws that need to be removed, and after we remove the panel we have access to the navigation box, the original navigation box. It's held in place by 2 screws, and once we remove those screws we have access to all the cables that are connected to the original navigation box, and also those cables are connected to the original screen. The screen is held in place by 2 screws. Those need to be removed as well, and the next thing we have to do is disconnect everything in order to fit the new screen. The cable management is fairly simple. We have one big cable that has to be connected to the original navigation box. The other end of the cable goes into the Linux screen. In order to get the original car's infotainment system's audio to work, we have to use an AUX cable. So we will use the AUX module from the car, and if the car has a Bluetooth connection we can use that Bluetooth connection. This model doesn't have one, so we will use the AUX cable, which also is included in the box. Next thing we have to do is put everything back into place. Once everything is connected you should do a first check to see if everything works, then put back everything in place. Now let's check out how it looks. This Linux screen keeps all the original system settings and allows you to enjoy CarPlay, AirPlay and other features. And of course you can use the iDrive button to navigate through the system, or you can use the touchscreen. Also the steering wheel controls work, and we can experience full screen CarPlay maps and listen to music while driving. It enhances the driving experience, and it's far more better than the small original screen that the car has. So besides the CarPlay we also have Android Auto, AutoLink, AirPlay, Bluetooth music, and the connection is stable and has a low latency for smooth user experience. It supports the original BMW NBT system. It's fully compatible with the 2012 and all the way up to 2016 BMW 3 or 4 series models. It comes with mirror link functionality, also supports video, music and streaming apps. Everything is plug and play with no coding or modification required. And of course you can still use all the original menu, all the original infotainment system and the steering wheel controls. So we tested out the CarPlay. Here we have the maps, the Google Maps, Apple Maps, Spotify, YouTube Music. Everything is reliable, the connection is stable, and it's a big improvement for the overall infotainment experience. You can buy it using the link in the video description or in the first comment, and if you have other questions feel free to ask me in the comment section.